So if you're doing an engineering event, this is the section you'll watch. So we've got sort of two different types of events in which students have to report early. Most of the events start at 10 a.m. But there are going to be these construction and impound events that start at 9 a.m. So the construction events, everyone must report for bridge building and mystery packaging for construction at the event location. So this is a room which has been assigned on the schedule. And so all the teams that are going to be competing in this event have to show up at 9 a.m. for bridge building and mystery packaging. For the impound event, which is water rockets, those teams have to drop their water rocket off at the event location, which is outside at Memory Mall. And they have to have their team numbers on this. They drop it out, and then there will be a receipt book that is going to be in your packet that you will then give to the students as evidence that they've dropped it off. So this will occur earlier in the morning. So if you're running one of these events, you'll need to have someone at that site at 9 a.m. So the construction events, like I said, starts at 9. You want to set up before 8 for the construction events, and make sure the area is guarded for the devices if you're doing an impound. And even after they construct, make sure that there's a way to guard and protect the devices, and they're secured so that when the teams have constructed their device, they leave it and then no other team comes in and can meddle with it. That would certainly not be good. Make sure all the teams have their team numbers on it, and then of course they have to report during the construction period. For the impound, of course, I've mentioned this, they've got to have them impounded before 10 a.m. and no modifications are allowed after this. But you can suggest to the team, if they drop off something and you see something wrong, don't tell them what's wrong, but just say, I see something wrong. If you can fix it before the close of the impound window, go ahead and do that. But don't tell them specifically what needs to be fixed. And then give students the receipt when they have dropped everything off. For the impound event for water rockets, just don't release any pertinent information. In the case of water rockets, there's really nothing to tell them that could be misleading or give an unfair advantage to the team beforehand. This is just designed so that they don't see other teams competing and make modifications to their water rocket before they launch. So again, make sure that they've got their team number and names on the water rocket.